Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about selling at Pacsun. If you have a great product that's perfect for Pacsun, this training will give you some things to think about in regards to selling to them. With that said, let's get started on today's training. Today we're going to be talking about the junior market for clothes and accessories. Those are very different products than selling Missy products to retailers and such. So what is a junior product? It is a product that is to a junior audience. They are younger and so forth. The trends for that audience are intense. They always looking for that next new product, that next thing, that next idea for excitement. The junior market is very unstable in regards to what they look for in regards to fashion and excitement and interesting and different. So when you are selling to them, you're always needing to look at new colors, what's hot, what's trending, and so forth. That's the key to the junior market. When it comes to accessories, you are always going to be selling them cheaper goods and so forth. So you really need to line up your manufacturer, probably in another country. It'd be very hard to keep up with the pricing. Hopefully one day that changes, but until then, it's a pricing issue. So they are selling cheaper goods. You really need to be able to buy products on a massive scale. A lot of you are trying to sell to them, but you're hand making stuff or you are making stuff with a local manufacturer. It's going to be very difficult for you. You need to set up massive quantity, massive cheap goods for that audience. Another thing about the junior market is there are retailers like Hot Topic and such who have novelty items who are pretty consistent in regards to the types of stuff they buy. For instance, they have a lot of skulls or they have stars. They have different things on their categories that they keep consistent. The thing about them, though, is they are always looking for trends in regards to some version of what they're already selling. So you really need to understand their audience and what they buy. Yes, it seems consistent, but those are their existing manufacturers a lot of times. So to come in as a newbie, you need to come in strong, hot, more interesting, and it's really hard to do in that category because they've seen it all. In regards to fashion accessories, they usually will put it under their private label brand, which means that you're selling them your products under their brand. So it is usually purchased by a manufacturer, meaning they are buying from you. Unfortunately for you, that doesn't mean that your name is going to be on the packaging a lot of the time. So just get used to that market where they are putting their name on the packaging and you are actually the one they're buying from. So you don't get a lot of credit, but you do sell on a massive scale. And so that's why they need your manufacturing in place. Not a lot of credit with that. You can sell junior products to department stores and different things, different segments of retail market like Walmart and such as well. So don't just go specialty retailer for the junior audience. The final thing I'll say is in regards to clothing, they are usually private labeled there as well. And again, it varies on age, but you really need to hone in on price for that particular store. You may believe that your product's worth $20 retail. They probably believe significantly less. So always do deep market research for that junior market. It is intense. It's a fight for your life. There's a lot of money in it. We made a lot of money in that category. This is Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. If you want to learn how to reach out to them appropriately and how to actually generate revenue as quickly as possible, we have training and coaching systems that will expedite the process quickly to get you into stores. We help you because we are generalists. We look at every single product for many years, and then we hope and pray, never, we give you answers as to how to actually pitch them, how to get them to buy, and so forth. Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. If you want to learn how to do that, please take a look at retailmba.com. Otherwise, please be on the lookout for additional videos we create. Also, we are always adding new content. Thank you so much. And we do have service options if you want us to pitch retailers for you at the major retailers. These are multi-million-dollar deals, these junior categories. Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. Thanks so much for listening.